Welcome to Asyn Code. Hello and welcome back. If you're new, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In Matplotlib, a line represents a set of connected data points on a 2D graph. Each point is determined by a pair of x and y coordinates, just like on a map or graph. This plot shows how the temperature varied from Monday to Sunday. The graph will help you quickly see trends, like the rise in temperature from Thursday to Sunday, and also pinpoint the temperature for each day of the week. Importing the required module for plotting. Matplotlib is a Python library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations. PyPlot is a module in Matplotlib that provides a MATLAB-like interface for plotting graphs. We import it as PLT to simplify referencing its functions later in the code. Data for the x-axis, days of the week. This variable stores the days of the week, which will be used as labels on the x-axis of the graph. It is a list of strings representing each day, in order from Monday to Sunday. Data for the y-axis, temperatures for each day. This list stores the temperature readings corresponding to each day of the week. These values will be plotted along the y-axis, vertical axis. Creating the line plot using plt.plot function. The plot function is responsible for plotting the graph based on the data you provide. It takes x and y values, coordinates, as arguments and draws a line connecting these points. The x-axis data, the days of the week. The y-axis data, the temperatures corresponding to each day. The color of the line is set to blue. You can use any valid color name, e.g. red, green, or hexadecimal color code. A circle marker, O, is placed at each data point. This makes each temperature point clearly visible. The line style is set to solid dash. You could use for dashed or colon for dotted lines. The width of the line is set to 2, default is 1. A higher number makes the line thicker. Labeling the x-axis. This label function is used to add a label to the x-axis. Here, it labels the x-axis as days of the week to clarify what the x-axis represents. Labeling the y-axis. The label function adds a label to the y-axis. Here, it labels the y-axis as temperature a degree C. to specify that the values on the y-axis represent temperatures in Celsius. Adding a title to the plot. The title function adds a title at the top of the plot. In this case, it is labeled as temperature over a week, which describes the purpose of the plot. Displaying the plot. The show function renders the plot and displays it in a window. Without this function, the plot will not appear, even if the code runs successfully. Now run our code. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with new videos.